Welcome to Investus Capitals tutorial. In this guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to purchase a membership. So let's get started. Start by navigating to the home page of your Investus Capitals account. Locate the sidebar menu and click on Membership. In the Membership section, you'll find various membership options to choose from. Click on the membership tier of your preference. A number of options related to your selected membership will now be displayed. Decide whether you want to subscribe using a voucher or activate a downline membership. You also have the option to enable automatic membership renewal, which means your membership will be renewed automatically when it expires. You can choose between the compounding option or the default setting. Make sure to carefully read and accept the terms and conditions associated with your chosen membership. To finalize your membership activation, enter your SmartPass in the provided field and then click on the Purchase button. Congratulations! You have successfully acquired the membership of your choice. Back on your homepage, you can conveniently monitor the number of active memberships you hold as well as keep an eye on your yield, ensuring you're always in control of your financial journey with Investus Capitals.